Sarah from Bad Habit Boutique, and I'm gonna do an unboxing of our 12 Days of Christmas. Woo! So if you open it after Christmas, actually the 12 Days of Christmas starts the day of Christmas and runs for the next 12 days. So just depending on how you want to open the gift, that is going to be up to you. So let's get started. I'm gonna go through the box and I'm just gonna show you exactly what you're going to get. So how cute is this box? Super cute. So this is the box that you're actually going to get this year for 2019. Last year we had a different box, and this year we came out with this super fun, nostalgic, really cute box. And it is big. It is a great, huge box, and just to be funny, oops, wrong side. So you guys know exactly how to open it and where to open it. So as you can see, it has 12 numbers posted there. And this is really for a lot of different age groups. So we have it in sizes small, medium, large, extra large, 2XL, and it can hit a variety of women and girls. And we actually also have a kids version, which is a unicorn theme. So we will do another unboxing of that one later. So you'll just have to subscribe and check that one out. So box number one. So all you have to do is, if you want to, punch it. You can punch it open. I'm not a very good puncher, but there's a little rivet here and you're just gonna kind of open it up just like that, and inside is going to be a gift. So let's check it out to see what is in box number one. All right, so and each day you get to open up a new hole, which is super exciting. So day one is going to be a pair of leggings, a cute pair of Christmas leggings. Like, how stinking cute is that? Absolutely love them. So they have Christmas trees. These are like a one size fit all pair. So super cute for all you Christmas lovers out there to see what item number two is. So cute, Christmas lover tee. So it's going to be a graphic tee. So not only are you getting a complete outfit because you got a graphic tee, and day one you got leggings. Hello, my new outfit, Christmas Day. Now you guys, not all two boxes are going to be the same. Not all two graphics are gonna be the same. Not all two leggings. They're going to vary. And as you can see, there's little partitions in here as well. So you're not gonna be able to see what the next day is. So if you're going to use the box as 12 different gifts, you won't be able to see what the other gifts are. I'll kind of open it up inside just so you guys can see the partitions. And if you wanna add other stuff to it, you can definitely do that. Just depends on what you wanna do. But as you can see, it is just full of goodies. So I'm gonna go through a couple of more pieces with you. And all boxes vary too, but you guys can just see how amazing all of the stuff is, and that it's not like cheap, chintzy stuff that you're gonna get. This is good quality stuff that is fun and you will absolutely love. So look at how cute these furry socks are. So that's super cute. Hand soap, that's cute. So it says ho 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 winter pine, a pampering gift set with hand cream, scented hand cream, winter pine. So it's more of like a lotion hand cream. And it's that pine wintry feel, so it smells like you're outside. And then there's also bath salt. So a cute little bath salt that you can sprinkle into your tub. And body wash. So another day. So you got these three things in another day. Let's go to day 5 because we have day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A pair of cute little earrings here. How fun is that? Another day. Oop, boot socks. How cute are those? How cute would that be inside your little duck boots that have been so popular, and you just kind of pop it out there? Like, that's adorable. What's another? Oh, we have, yep, totally nailed it. So how cute is that? So that is a whole set of fingernail clippers, nail filer, scissors, so super cute. I love this. I love that design with the stripes. Also in that day is a thing of fingernail polish. So behind every successful woman is herself. So that's super fun. Determined, it says, for the bracelet, and it comes with a cute little quote on the card too, and it looks like it's more of like a string kind of bracelet there, and then it has that gold charm that says determined on there. So that's a really fun bracelet that you can wear around like all the time. Material. Another day. Ooh, I guess I get to change out my hat here. Hello. Buffalo plaid has been seriously my favorite print for how many years now. So this is a cute hat. It has a little fur ball here. It's buffalo plaid. I love anything buffalo plaid. So this is a super cute hat. I think we're on like day 8, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Day 8, and look at all these amazing gifts. I just love it. This is the gift that keeps on giving. Hello. Another day. Let's see what else we got here. Fragrance bath salt. It smells so good. It seriously does. So this whole thing, and it is pretty heavy, and it can hang on your Christmas tree or wherever you want it to go, is a fragrance bath salt. And guys, that box is so cute. And it smells so good. Like, how cute is that? Another day. Hair ties and this cute little ornament for makeup so that you can apply your makeup and hair ties to pull your hair back. That is day 11. How cute is this? A cute little face mask. Oh, how cute is that? This is super fun. The little glitter eyelashes, and I just need my beauty sleep. So that is the last day with this, and then it also came with, how funny is this? It's a facial mask Rudolph. It's a limited edition. So let's just check and see what this is, because this is freaking hilarious. Better take everything off because I don't even know. Actually, let me use one of my hair ties that I got in my 12 days box. It says how to use cleanse and tone your skin, which I did not do. And then remove mask from the package. Rest comfortably on your face for 10 to 20 minutes. Well, folks, we don't have that long, sis. Are you guys ready? A reindeer! It's day 12. I get a little face mask and I get to be a reindeer for the day. Awesome. So I'm so glad that you tuned in to our 12 days of Christmas. Fabulous gifts, like so many cute gifts in this box. And like I said, and it comes in sizes small all the way up to 2 extra large. Sizes do, or not sizes vary, items do vary in each box, so it is super fun. And also, you guys, what we're gonna do is give you $30 off. Just use code SANTA30 at checkout, and you guys are gonna get $30 off your box. So snag it now. We have a limited supply. We're starting to ship now, so get them while you can. Bye, guys.